welcome to Skillstack Academy. Today we are going to practice some very important daily English sentences that you can use in real life situations. These sentences will help you in daily conversations like feelings, requests, commands, and general communication. Let's begin. First, we will start with daily feelings and expressions. I am extremely exhausted. I feel joyful right now. I am very hungry at the moment. I am completely full now. I need some sleep badly. I feel unwell right now. I am okay at the moment. I am really scared right now. I am very excited about this. I am feeling bored right now. I feel happy inside. Now let's move to some common sentences about people and communication. She is a close friend of mine. He is not present here. Who is that girl? Where did he go? I miss you a lot. Now we will practice some useful request sentences. Please return it to me. I need your assistance. I want this very much. Can you give me help? I can assist you. Please fix this issue. Try it one more time. I will give it a try. Let me take a look. Look at this carefully. What is that thing? I like this a lot. Now let's move to commands and instructions. These are very important for daily life communication. Let's leave right now. It's getting too late. Let's go together now. Follow me closely. Come with me now. Stay right beside me. Let's go outside. Come inside immediately. Go over in that direction. Close the door now. Open the window, please. Switch it off. Turn it on now. Please be quiet. Speak a bit louder. Sit down here. Please stand up. Let's begin now. Let's play together. Let's go for a walk. Time has finished. Take a short break. Keep moving forward. Now let's practice opinions and reactions. Don't like this at all. I don't know the answer. This doesn't feel fair. That's really funny. You are absolutely correct. I'm ready to go. Wait for me, please. That was amazing. It's not too bad. Do your best. You are very kind. That is enough now. I agree with you. I don't agree with that. You are right about this. That is incorrect. That is correct. Now we will learn sentences about environment and situations. It is extremely cold. It is very hot today. It is very noisy here. It is very quiet here. This is something new. That is something old. This is very easy. This is very difficult. This is broken. This is really fun. Now let's learn motivational and supportive sentences that you can use in real life. Don't worry about it. Be careful with that. Calm yourself down. Cheer up a little. Try your best always. Keep going forward. I believe I can do it. You are very strong. Now finally, some very common daily life expressions. Let's eat right now. I can't wait anymore. Let's do this together. I like that idea. I really want that. Let's stay together. Let's go out together. I will take care of you. See you very soon. Take good care. This is the end of today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences daily. Speak them loudly, repeat them, and improve your English step by step. See you in the next class.